All right, guess what just came in? From 1975 Creations, the Quick Bandit. License plate holder for the Model 3 and specifically the Model Y. So let's check it out. So excited. As much as I don't like a front license plate on my car, at least this one does the trick, and it's easy to put on and easy to take off. So, all right, comes with limited lifetime warranty documentation, and a quick 1, 2, 3 step guide on how to install. Great, love it. All right. Check it out. Ooh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's pretty lightweight. You can see it looks like it's 3D printed. Nice. Looks good. Feels good. Feels sturdy, but lightweight at the same time. It also comes with 4 screws for the license plate and the Allen wrench. The Allen wrench is to, you choose to lock it into place with that. All right, before I install it on the car, it looks like it's a quick installation. These 4 hook-like configurations are what grab in the front of the car. And then this little lever, as you see, this lever is what locks it into place. All right, so let's go check it out. All right, let's get this license plate. Okay. All right, so put the plate on using the screws that came with the kit. We'll probably speed up this part of it because you guys don't have to watch me screw a license plate in. All right, let's see how easy it is to put this thing on the car. All right, let's see how easy this thing is. I see it done on YouTube all the time. Let's see. Wow. And that's the first time I put it on. That's sick. Oh, man. Nice. And again, down here you have a wrench screw that you can use to lock it into place. I like it. Let's look at it. Back up. Okay. So I have to have a license plate. That looks good. And if I want to take it off, easy. We'll put it on. Not bad. Okay, so that's the Quick Bandit. Hope you guys like it. Peace.